Here at Inline Plastics, they manufacture a variety of plastic containers through thermoforming. Today, we will take a look at how it is done. Let's get started. First, everything starts as a roll of PET plastic. It will then be placed on the machine after that. Once it is loaded in the machine, it will pass through the heating tunnel. Multiple banks of heaters heat the plastic in stages so it will be easily molded. Once heated, the sheet moves or indexes through the forming station where the plastic is pressed, formed, and cooled into the desired shape of container. The section of the plastic sheet that is not used, the skeletal web, is rolled up to be ground and reused in the new sheets or sold as scrap. The mold will cool the plastic as it is pressed. The length of each index is determined by the length of the mold. After they are pressed out of the skeletal web, they are stacked by suction cup. Once they reach a certain height, they are moved to a conveyor belt. After they are taken off the conveyor belt, they are meticulously inspected on all sides.
Several tests that we have to do. There's also a leak test, which is a very informal kind of process, but we'll just make sure the seal of the product is sealed tight, and we have a certain amount that can leak out of the product while it's holding a liquid. So it's like 1 or 2 drops, so it's very little that can actually leak. But if it fails the leak test, which is actually a 6-hour test, then we have to go back through all the product and figure out where we went wrong. So do you just test one? Do you pull in from like a batch? You pull like a couple of them, or? So whenever we start a new production run, we do the initial testing. We test 5 cases, and then we start doing an hour on the hour test. So and then whenever we have a new lot of material, so it came from a different production run from their end, then we have to go through the same process.
Once inspected, they are boxed and put on a crate. Here, they wrap the boxes to ensure they don't fall over. After the containers are boxed and wrapped, they are brought into a warehouse where they will wait to be shipped.
So my job role is the production control manager. I am responsible for the planning, the scheduling, and the purchasing. So the main thing and the most important function of that is definitely the scheduling. So not only am I trying to meet the customer's needs and expectations, but I'm also scheduling work for roughly 80 people and what they've got to do and how does it affect them. Are they able to prepare for it? Does our mold shop know what's coming and what kind of changes they're in for? When we have a machine that has to suddenly change over because customer demand requires it, those changes come at a cost. And depending on the machine and what's happening, it can be pretty significant. So as far as my main function, those are my main things that I try to control. What's coming up, what are we planning for, and what's the best route to do it. So we have a production meeting every morning and actually every afternoon because we do run 4 shifts. So we go over the schedule and what's coming with all shifts. And knowing what's coming is essential. The amount of time that it takes to change out a machine can be from anywhere from 2 hours to 12 hours. So just depending on what we've got going, each hour that the machine is down is obviously costing money. So that's what pays the bills. And to keep the machines up and going is always our goal. So ensuring that we have good, safe, quality product as well is going to be the next function. So making sure that everyone is safe working out there, and as we go through all of the quality checks that are required by each product, then we'll know that we've got a good product.